There's never a quiet day in the world of AI. It's Tuesday and there's a lot to get through. Here's today's AI news. Claude Code is Anthropic's amazing coding agent. A new voice mode is rolling out to 5% of users starting today, with more getting access over the coming weeks. Until now, the keyboard still did all the work, but now that just seems a bit antiquated. This switch in input to voice lets you narrate while coding, describe what you're building, explain what's not working, or talk through a problem while your hands take a break. Coding is one of the harder use cases for voice interfaces. Trying it inside a professional dev tool rather than a consumer product says something about where Anthropic thinks the value is. Will this catch on? OpenAI has released GPT-5.3 Instant, the model behind most everyday ChatGPT interactions, the fast, lightweight version rather than the deep reasoning one. This update targets tone and accuracy, fewer unnecessary refusals, fewer preachy disclaimers, and more consistent responses across a conversation. Web search also improves in this version. Sharper contextualization of results, better reading of question subtext, and more consistent tone when pulling in outside information. It's rolling out to all users now, but is it less cringe? We'll be the judge of that. BS Bench, we're censoring the full name, tests how often AI models produce confident-sounding responses to questions where they shouldn't be confident. Not where they're lying exactly, just filling space with something that sounds right. Language models are structurally very good at this. Most leaderboards reward models for knowing more things. This one rewards them for knowing what they don't know. The ability to say, "I'm not sure," instead of generating something plausible sounding is a distinct skill, and it rarely gets measured. Anthropic have topped the leaderboard with their Claude models. Well done, Anthropic. One to be proud of. BS Bench V2 is out now. Arcax is a 4.5-metre humanoid mech that a pilot sits inside. 9 cameras provide a full 360-degree view. Force feedback controls let you feel the grip force in the hands, and 26 degrees of freedom handles heavy lifting or delicate work in rubble. When the job is done, it disassembles and loads onto a truck. Target applications include disaster search and rescue, nuclear decommissioning, large-scale demolition, and the odd bit of lunar base construction. Remote operation is supported too, so no one needs to be in the driver's seat, but I'm sure there will be no shortage of volunteers. It probably can't do a backflip, but this is one of the coolest robots we've seen so far.